Today I'm going to give a speech on the topic Independence Day. Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our souls. Let us salute the nation on this Independence Day. As we all know, we have gathered virtually here to celebrate our 74th Independence Day. Probably here there is hardly anyone who woke up on the midnight of 15th August and thought of how this Independence Day would be. Many must be thinking this is the worst one. But let me tell you, this is going to be the best. Not because you all are at your homes now and listening to me virtually, but because you all have proven your love towards your country in a right way. The unity and the strength in our unity has proven that let any dreadful disease come in our country, we can fight it together. This pandemic has caused death everywhere. But have you ever thought what all important ethics of life has this pandemic taught us? You must be thinking, what a dreadful way to learn these important things. Think of it. We consider those deaths as deaths of people who've died due to this COVID-19. But actually, they are the real martyrs who've died due to their own mistakes but have taught us an important lesson that we should never disobey the order that comes from a government which is for our own benefit. You people who all are listening to me should thank God who has kept us alive to strive hard during this challenge of our life and succeed. Remember one thing, my friends, and all the other people present here. We Indians have the habit of overcoming problems together right from our birth. We have already struggled so much in our past. May it be some other way, but we won because we were together. Let not any problem that arises in our country make differences in each other. We were united, we are united, and will always be united. This day is a festival where we celebrate our martyrs and their struggles of a long span of 200 years. This day shan't be just a day where we gather to raise the flag and eat sweets. One must keep in mind that the flag we raise in our hand, that we shall never let anyone down. The flag is also the heads that were beheaded in the time stretch. We shall not let them down either. No bite of delicious sweet should be taken without thinking of those nights when our leaders fought empty stomach. We as citizens of this country should always keep the past, present and future glory alive in every moment of this day. We shall promise to keep the heads of our farmers, soldiers, industrialists, and especially police officers and doctors and government bodies high. We shall promise this till perpetuity. I would like to end my speech by saying a few lines. Ours is a land of sages, known for bravery for ages. None can with it compete. Its culture none can beat. Whatever caste or religion, all live here in unison. With rivers, sweet fountains, its land of high mountains, its green forests are pretty and a source of prosperity. Let's go for it, work hard, for its safety be on your guard. Thank you, Jai Hind.